say it boosts the hold up.
You my only one. You my number one. You one-on-one. I wanna go one-on-one.
Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lalonnie. If you're returning, hey girl, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about Sol de Janeiro, the new lotion that they have in the pink bottle. I have 2 of them and then I purchased 2 more, so I will go over all that with you guys and let y'all know how it smells or how it compares, and also kind of reference and mention some of the older ones that's in the line. Also, if you guys like the background, you know, I had to change it up a little bit, some new decor, you know, kind of bring a little more, some more nice aesthetic for the channel. Okay, so these will be linked. I got them from Amazon. These will be linked in my description box, and then also they're in my Amazon storefront. Is there something on my lips? Hold on, y'all. I knew it. It's like a small piece of hair. Okay, anyway, so yes, if you do like it, I linked it for y'all. So, and also, are y'all feeling the little hair? I used to always wear my hair like this, but I forgot how to curl it. As you can see, it's not like 100. It's not like all that curled, you know, to the T, but yeah, like it's living. She's doing something. She's cute. So I was like, I'm a bone straight girl, so I was like, I have to bring a little something new to my girls on the channel, and I wanted to change it up just a little bit. And honestly, like, I didn't even think it was gonna come out like this. I was like, what am I gonna do with this hair? Like, but if y'all like it, you know, I like it, so I hope y'all like it. Also, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to like, okay, leave y'all comments too. I like to hear what y'all be thinking, or what y'all feel about these products as well, or if y'all want more videos like this. So anyway, let's jump right into it, girl. Okay, so I went to Sephora, and like I said, I purchased 2. These are $48 a piece. I went and bought, oh girl, I butcher names, okay, so please don't come for me in the comments. If anything, just give me some constructive criticism and just be like, girl, that's not how you pronounce it, you know, just say that. This is the 𝑵𝑚𝑰𝑆 Bright Cream, okay? And I had no intentions on purchasing this one, but we'll get into it. And then the one that is the most recent is the pink box. We ain't about to, I ain't gonna try that one, but it's the pink box, okay? So this one retails for $48. I got the 8 fluid ounce, 240 ml. Okay, so let's open her up, darling. Okay, y'all already know they come in the famous tube. It's just a different color. One thing I really love about this one, though, I can say it did say it boosts hold up. It boosts elasticity, okay? Replenish, plump, stimulate, I guess. Okay, so then that's when it gets a little, I don't know what that is, French, Spanish, whatever. That's when it gets a little. So we're gonna skip that part. Those 3 things that I just mentioned had me shook, and I was like, I need to try it because I already own 2 of them and I love them. So yes, girl, we're gonna open her up because I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't trying to go through no reviews on this, but I was just like, why not? You know, I didn't want nobody to ruin like my perception on it. But then again, I was just like, you gotta start somewhere. But from opening her up, people were saying that this smells like Baccarat, okay? MFK, y'all know the famous Baccarat Rouge 540. And I must say, it do. It ain't 100%, but it's sweet, it's airy, it's so soft. I don't know how long the scent will last because I haven't tried it. I haven't been able to test it out for a week for y'all. But I can say It's so soft. Like if you are not into fragrances, you will smell this, because I've also read that some people was like, I can't really smell it, it doesn't smell like anything. And honestly, that's the same thing I got when I first smelled it. So it took me a few smells to kind of like my nose to stimulate and kind of pick up what it is, because it's so light. Like if you guys know, MFK is known for that too. Like once you spray it, you might smell it and then it disappears, but then everybody else could smell you. Yeah, that's kind of like probably what you'll get here, but then I've also seen it don't last. We don't know, I have to test it out. But for the most part, I can say that this smells super good. A lot of their lotion smells super good, but it's definitely like baby lotion, floral type of vibe. It smells good though. If you like them, I would say purchase it. Why not? With the benefits that it proclaims, you can't go wrong, you know what I mean? It's just like, give it a try. Don't even buy the 48, buy the smaller one. I didn't find the need to get the spray because it is similar to Baccarat Rouge 540. I might as well use this as a base, and then I'll spray on my perfume as, you know, the smell. So it'll just work hand in hand. I'll be smelling good all day long. That's what I'm shooting for. That's what we open for, because you know Baccarat lasts for a long time. So this is gonna be the base. Hopefully it make it last even longer, who knows. But that is that for this one. Then I went ahead and was like, let me just get this one. This is for Re-texturize, Nourish, and Smooth. So you know the benefits that they claim is good, right? I never had no intentions on getting this one, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, because I think I smelled it once and was just like, I ain't into all that fruity, I don't know, fruity lotion type of thing, but it smelled good though. You know, since I've been getting into fragrances, this is how I look at it. Since I've been getting into fragrances, because this is more on like the fruitier side, you can definitely layer this. So I honestly used to just depend on my lotions to make me smell good all day. And I was the Bath and Body Works, like, oh, I need the lotion, I need the spray, I need the cream. You know, no, I don't. Like, I like to use lotions that have some type of benefit to them. If they smell good too, great. But if not, I am just going to put on a fragrance anyway. So I don't need 1, 2, 3, 4. It's nice to have them, but not for everything. Like I used to feel like I needed the same fragrance and smell in the soap and the lotion and the spray for everything. You don't. So you have a good wash base, and then you use your lotion and you spray on your fragrance, and boom. So this one is more on the fruitier side. I would definitely use this. Like if you have perfumes that are more like on the fruitier side, I would definitely use this one as a base. Because yeah, that one definitely has a more tropical fruits. Smells good though. An OG, because I don't think too many people like this one. I don't know, it's just my personal opinion. Everybody that I be like, oh, do you like this? If I just put this to their nose, they're like, no. Because honestly, it smells like snickerdoodle, like snickerdoodle sugar cookies or something. It's really gourmand. But yeah, it smells so good. Like, honestly, this lotion is probably the one before they reformulated, because I'm gonna show you guys. I have 2 sprays, okay? One say Coco Cabana Cherryosa 39, right? And then this one says Cherryosa 39, and it says at the bottom praline and cocoa and praline. So this was my original one, and it came with a plastic top too, so you had to take off a top and then take off another top, and then boom, there was a spray, right? And I get like I didn't even use this much as and this probably, I bought this probably like a year or 2 ago. I don't know when they changed their packaging, but this one smelled like popcorn, and it just smelled really gourmand, like a popcorn, caramel, coconut. It wasn't as coconutty, right? And then when this spray came along, they make this one smell much more coconut and airy. Still beautiful, still smells similar. It's just that I feel like some note is missing out of this one, and it's probably that popcorn note that I was smelling, which I don't mind. They both smell good. Like, I'm happy I still have this one, because then I'll just, you know, spray it out. But that's the reason why I bought it again, because I was like, they changed it. Let me see if I'm gonna like the new one. I mean, they're only $20 and they smell so good. If I really, really like the smell, then I'll buy the spray, because let's be honest, these are mist. They're not gonna last long, but if you layer them with the lotion, you probably can get a longer wear, and you throw them in your bag, you're good to go. But I didn't feel like it was necessary for this one, because I told you I don't really care for the smell, but it is fruity. So this is good to layer with your fruitier fragrances, okay? And then this one would be good to layer with your softer, everyday fragrances, your girlier ones, you know, maybe Chanel Tendre, your Dolce & Gabbana Pour Femme, your, I'm trying to think of them on top of my head because I just did a video, so I'm thinking of my everyday fragrances. I even had to glance over there, y'all. Yeah, the ones I mentioned in that video, this would be a good one to layer them with, because they're like more floral, airy, non-offensive, soft, and girly type of slightly powdery fragrances. I feel like Baccarat Rouge 540 would also go with this, and that's more expensive. And I didn't mention that in the everyday one, but it works. It's universal. It's very light and airy. Then we have Brazilian Crush 71. This one is chasing after Brazilian Crush, I kid you not, because this one is so gourmand. Oh, so the Coco Cabana, which one is that? The 39 one smells like coconuts and pralines, and you know, hold on, y'all, hold up, let me smell it. Yeah, you got more like I say, the original is popcorn, the other one is more airy coconut. Still good, it's still like summertime appropriate and all that good jazz. But then you got 71 that smells like a snack, honey. Like this is summer too, but this is more like, I feel intimate and you just want to smell edible. And yeah, that's definitely the vibes that this one give me, which is 71. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, it's so good. So yeah, if they had a lotion for this, I'd be all up over it, but because they don't, I bought the spray. Then you have the original Brazilian Crush. This is such a bomb summer fragrance. Also, once again, I bought both of them because the original one just said Brazilian Crush, and this one says, oh, hold on, I bought the bigger bottle, y'all. Hold on. So, as I was saying, I'm not even done with this one, okay? But as you can see, I had to go get the big one. Because, child, listen. This is the ultimate summer body mist, period. And that's all I'm gonna say. There's no more to say. It's it's edible, you know, it's gourmand, but then also it still has that airy, summery, breezy type of feel to it. It doesn't just smell like you want to eat it. It doesn't give you that smell, but it smells so good. It's like so warm and delicious, but it's not like I want to eat you type of warm and delicious. It's just more like, damn, you smell good. What is you wearing? Like, you sweet. I definitely had to get her in a bigger size. Because, I mean, as you can see, they work hand in hand together. This is the lotion, and then this is the mist. This is just like the ultimate summer smell good little combo. I can't lie. So yeah, that's all the ones that I own from Sol de Janeiro. I love them. They smell so good. I definitely would say go and try them out. They're not expensive, so definitely try them out. The lotion is just, oh man, if you can only get one lotion, y'all know I'm just gonna have to tell y'all to stick with the original. And you don't have to get the big one. They have smaller options that are like little travel size ones as well. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Support your girl, and yes, I will catch you in the next one.